an experienced rookie.
Bogdanovic has played overseas. Shot clock at 3. Got Draymond on him. Bogdanovic runner and banked it in. Bogdan Bogdanovic scored over Draymond Green to give the Kings the lead. Wow.
Pretty good hang in the air there and waited until the defender disappeared. So he takes him off the dribble. Watch what he does here. He goes up, hangs, lets Draymond go by and down, and then he banks it in.
6 Kings in double figures. They're going to be the first team to shoot 50% against the Warriors in 36 games. They've taken advantage of no Curry and no Durant, and the Kings have been excellent tonight. They've made Clay a